Hey guys, my name is Courtney. I'm with Crafty Corner, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clean your Cricut cutting mats. This is a great tip to learn because it will prolong the life of your mat, keep them stickier for a longer period of time, and in the end it's going to save you money because you won't have to keep buying mats. There are lots of different ways you can, but I'm going to show you how I do it. It's super simple and it will keep your mats staying clean and being able to be used for a long time. Okay, so I have 3 different mats here. I've got the fabric grip mat, a standard grip, and a light grip mat. I use all 3 of these in my craft room often, so I really need to get them cleaned. As you can see on this fabric grip mat, I just cut some burlap yesterday and I really need to get this off. And then these other 2, I need to get them clean, but they're not as bad. But being proactive in keeping your mats clean is going to save them and keep them good for a long period of time. To clean your mats, all you're going to need are some baby wipes and a scraper tool, just in case you need a little extra backup. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start, as you can see this burlap, there's just a lot of it. I'm going to start by scraping it off. Trying to get these big chunks off. So the scraper tool is really helpful for that. But one of my favorite tools to use in my craft room is this extra large scraper tool. It just can cover more on your mat, and so I love using this as well. But either one will do. Okay, so now that we have most of the burlap scraped off thanks to our scraper tool, we are going to now use the baby wipes. As you can see, it still is covered in like the shavings of the burlap. And if I go to put another material on top of this, it's not sticky. Wherever this burlap residue is left over, it's not sticky and my new material is not gonna stick on my mat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a baby wipe. You could also use like a damp cloth or paper towel, but I love to use the wipes, and we're literally just going to apply a lot of pressure and just wipe it down. So as you can see, it's starting to come up onto the wipe, and here's what it looks like so far. You can see it's already starting to look so much better. So I'm just going to keep applying pressure and getting all of the shavings off. You'll need a couple wipes for this, especially depending on what material you have. So I'm going to grab another wipe and we'll finish this up. Okay, so now we're all done, and as you can see, it looks as good as new. But before you go ahead and use your mat, I would let it dry for at least 10 or 15 minutes. It's going to be a little wet and you need it to dry completely to get that stickiness back again. I'm just gonna let this dry and then I'll be able to use it after about 15 minutes. Here's the standard grip mat and the light grip mat. As you can see, they're not as bad as the fabric grip mat was, but I think one of my biggest tips that I like to give to people, and I'm hoping I can pass on to you, is just to be proactive about taking care of your mat. Yeah, this might not be horrible, but by being ahead of the game, staying proactive and keeping them clean, your mats are just gonna last longer and save you money. So even though they're not horrible, there is still a lot of stuff that doesn't need to be on here, and I'm gonna follow the same steps. Just grab a wipe and get cleaning. And there we have it. That's all there is to it to cleaning your Cricut mats. Just grab a wipe, a scraper tool. This will definitely keep your mats lasting longer. So that's it. Cleaning your Cricut mats is as simple as grabbing some baby wipes and a scraper tool and just wiping them down. Cleaning your mats is going to prolong the life of your mat and it's going to save you money in the end. So don't forget to clean your Cricut cutting mats when you're finished with your crafting. And if you have any other ways that you like to clean your Cricut cutting mat, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you do it and keep your mats clean. Thanks for watching.